Okay, I had to skip example 2 in your notes because I can't find a way to get a compass on there. So I'm going to skip ahead to example 3. I know this says 2 in my notes here, but it's really example 3. We are going to learn about congruent segments now. So congruent segments are line segments that have the same length. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is answer this question where it says to plot point J, K, L, and M in a coordinate plane. Now, then determine whether J, K, and L, M are congruent. So see if they have the same length, in other words. So let's start this. So I'm going to go to plot J, which would be 3 left and 4 up. So there's negative 3, 4. K is 2, 4. And I should label these. So this is J and this is K. L is 1, 3. All right, so there's L. And M is 1, negative 2. Now, are these segments the same length? Are they congruent, in other words? So if I can connect J to K, not very well, and L to M, are they the same length? Well, K is at 2, we can see, and J is over here at negative 3. And so 2 minus negative 3, those are 5 apart. Now, if we look at L and M, that's a vertical line, so we have to look at the Y values. L is up here at 3, whereas M is down here at negative 2 also. So once again, this time we have 3 minus negative 2, which is also 5. So in this case, we would say that JK, geez, I cannot do this, JK and LM are congruent. Here's a symbol we use when two things are congruent. Looks like a little equal sign with a little squiggly line or a tilde above it. So yes, JK and LM are congruent in this case, and that's example 2.